Say hi, Josh. Say it. What's that, Josh?
Did you hear him?
Yeah, it was very light.
Soft. Hi, Josh. Dang, it's coming out my hair.
It's raining outside.
Be careful.
it's nighttime. You can't see it. Say hi, Josh.
Hi, Josh.
Here. Where's his leg? His knee. Where's his elbow? Where's his nose? Where's his nose? Softly, where's his nose? Where's his mouth? Where's his cheeks? Where's his hair?
Where's his tummy?
Where's his tummy? Where's Josh's tummy?
Where's his belly button?
Where's his belly button?
It's under his shirt.
Where's yours? Ooh.
Say
Hi, Josh. Can you say hi to Josh?
bye. Go watch Elmo.
Oh no.
No, it's the rain.
Say bye, Josh.
Say bye to the camera.
Wave bye to Mama.
Lisa tries to pick him up.
Mm-mm.
Get your hands out. No. Be careful. She's like,